Pasok ka nga doon. Hilaw? Oh, hilaw yung welding na yun. Pagalitan mo kaya, Joy.
Ito kaya pang-weldingin ng kahoy.
Pina-welding yung kahoy.
Lakas sa ayos. Sabihin ko sa'yo.
GPL mo na ito. Natin.
Mga makalumang JBL.
Diretto, picture mo, karaoke na pala yun, eh. GBL.
JBL naman, JBL.
Ang lumang JBL. Panis. Talino ng mga kasama ko. Wala akong masabi. JBL. Nagwe-welding ng kahoy. Talaga to si Consol.
Lokohin mo, sabi mo. Ikaw mo naman pag
Ikaw daw nag-welding na lang, ha? Kahoy, welding. Kay tuntuan na naman yung maganda. Boss, sa wakas, makakapasok na siya. Mga ilang oras to? Hindi nakahihintay.
pag maputol tayo.
Magkakasama tayo, eh. Kailan tayo, eh.
May simulator si Rian sa loob. Alam mo yun sa engine room sa... Go ahead! Ito pala bukas, oh. Joy, Joy! Wala.
Ano yan? Cap? Ano yan, cap? Oo, naku po.
Pagkat si Amy sa loob.
Kaya welding?
You guys are how many? 6.
Video mo, video.
Video ulit kay...
Sarap ka.
We're in a bit of a situation with the first order. Not authorized to pick up the cargo.
Picking up the cargo? Good.
They've accused us of stealing.
I would think now you're breaking up. I cannot hear you.
Don't you dare!
I don't know. Unfortunately, technical difficulty. For a conversation anyway. Aha! Another group of flight candidates. Welcome, my friend. Welcome. What a fine nice position. You remind me of buckling on the boundary of your head. You flew for me before. I can't believe
been both pilots and a gunner.
Oh, are you gonna ride with the boys or the girls?
Hello, my friend. I am Paulo Obama, and this is Osaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. Oh no, for some very fast and very profitable expedition. Chewbacca, my fine friend! Yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance. I get no profits. What? The first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember. The better you work,
Bye.
the more you
Lang pala?
Okay na, palabas na.
Yun lang pala yun.
Lang pala yun? Talaga naman? Yun lang pala yun? Ha? Ang tagal-tagal na pinila natin. Tapos yun lang yun.
Yun lang pala.
Kaya ano naman yun?
Pilots right here, gunners right behind, and engineers.
Engineer.
And you will be assigned my crew green. Listen for green, okay? Green, all the way down.
Thank you.
Engineer kami sa likod.
Engineer.
Engineer.
Engineer naman sa likod.
Engineer. What color is inside today? Light green.
Green.
Green?
Yeah.
Perfect. Ewan ko. Ewan ko.
We are now in the green. Dito na tayo.
Engineer.
Green, come on in. Come on in. Come on over here.
Ano ba ito? Ito na ba yun? Patay ko.
Ito yung paliguan ng
Green. Tayo, green.
green. Let's go green.
Si Blue lang nandito. Si Blue.
6.
I don't have a purple, but I'll get them on. I'll just send them.
So this is green here.
Where are my pilots? Come on.
The pilot.
The pilot. The pilot.
The
Let's go,
pilot
let's go,
is
let's go.
here. He's the pilot.
Where's my other pilot?
One more. Dito ka na. Kasi engineer siya eh.
The engineer.
You're gonna fly up and down, okay? Down
Okay,
and
left and
down.
right. Okay. Yeah, up and down.
That's like to your left. To your left, guys.
Thank
And then press any
you.
flashing buttons.
This is our pet.
Uy, nakinig ba
Up and
kayo?
down ka daw, tapos left and right daw ako.
Oh, saan na?
Up and down ako.
Uy, saan na?
Ewan ko, saan tayo?
Saan na? Oh, di ba? Pilot natin hindi nakikinig.
Eh, hindi pa sa instruction.
a first order train shipment
Up and down ka daw,
to
left and right ko. Saan dito?
You clear the path.
Ewan ko.
Pilots,
Ayun
line
ako sa
up behind the
loob.
train.
Yay! Let's go! Alright! Here we go! Here we go!
Seatbelts on. Place your cargo on the floor in front
Where's
of
the
you.
seatbelt?
It's going to be from the outside towards the middle, okay? Outside towards the center. It's going to be at your tip. Okay, once we're buckled in, go ahead and tug on that yellow tab. Tug on that yellow tab. Yep. Go ahead and buckle that in right there.
Time is money.
Tug on that yellow tab. Engineer, tug on the yellow tab. Thank you. All right.
Alright.
Thank you, gunner. Engineer, tug on the yellow tab.
Up and down, left and right, okay.
Press the flashing buttons. You guys are good to go. Let's go.
Hey, press the button.
Alright!
Exit na tayo, exit! Vertical exit. Up.
So we can harpoon that last guy. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and it's harder than it looks.
Yung mga piloto natin dyan! Anong masasabi ng mga passenger?
When you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do, it is not unusual to find a stray species or two clinging to the hub. Nothing. But keep looking. I want us to let another raptor loose in here. I am not clearing that up. Did you hear that? All right.
Thank you! Was fun!
Thank you so much! That was fun!
The best! Cool, thank you! Alright!
Driver pa yung dalawa.
Nasisip na yung yung dalawang piloto sa harap.
Ay, ilo nila!
Hilong-hilo sila eh!
Pag ikaw nasa harap, ang sakit sa ulo! sumakay ng roller coaster ba?
Gumagalaw-galaw pa eh. Kung saan sentiment.
Masaya pala eh.
Ano? Piloto natin. Mga piloto natin lasing. Piloto mga lasing.
Sa amin sa